I know you might have registered on TimeBucks, but if you've not registered on TimeBucks, check in the description below. You're going to see a link. Click on it to redirect you to the TimeBucks tutorial I made, because I've made a tutorial on how to register on TimeBucks and how to work on TimeBucks. It's in the description below. Just click on it. It will redirect you. Or you can check my videos on full guideline on how to make money on my best website. So without wasting time, let's get down to the screen. The first thing you have to do is to click on this three drop down menu. You go to settings. Once you go to settings, you go to payment method, because TimeBucks pay every Thursdays and it's automated payment. You don't have to click on anything to get your payment. They will just send it straight to any payment method you put or you want to use. Like me, I use Litecoin to withdraw my earnings. And on my next video, I'm going to do tutorial on how to register on a crypto website, how to use it as your payment method, and how to even transfer crypto from one crypto website to another. So if you get to this place, what you have to do is to click on payment method. For example, you don't want to use Litecoin, you want to use another payment method. So what you do is to click on it. Like I also use ATM. I use it for payment method too. The registration is very simple. You can click on this ATM. It will redirect you to the portal where you will register. If you want Litecoin, this is PayPal, this is Visa, this is Paye, this is Krill. So any which one you want to use for your payment, you can use it. And what you will do is that you just choose the payment method you want. Look at them here. You can also add it to TimeBucks advertising balance. You can use it to do campaign. You can hold your payment if you don't want to withdraw it yet, or you have a certain amount that you want it to reach before you withdraw it. You can use this whole my payment. You can use your virtual Visa card. You can use Pay, any which one you feel that will be convenient for you, you can use it. But me, I use Litecoin. If I choose Litecoin, the next thing I have to do is to copy my wallet address from my crypto website, then I'm pasting here and click update payment. Okay, let's do typical example on how to put in this payment now. Let's use ATM. And it shouldn't be the email you use in registering ATM. The email you're going to use is the secondary email. You're going to have like about 2 emails. One is the one you use for registration. The secondary email is the one you use for online payment. Okay, let me show you an example. This is my ATM account. So what you have to do is to go to this menu. If you go to menu, you go to settings. So once you come to this setting, they say put in secondary email. Another of your email, you click verify email. They're going to send you email. In that email you put in there, go there, click on the verify. It will set as your secondary email. Then you can use it for any payment from any website. Anywhere they can pay you with ATM, you can use that email. Please don't use the first email. The first email you use is for registration, and you can only use it to withdraw or to receive payment from someone that has an ATM account. So let's go back. Peradventure, this is my secondary email. I'm going to put password. I'm not a robot. Update. A verification link has just been sent to your email address. Please check your email, click on the link we provided, or copy and paste it in the browser if you can't click on it. Once I click on this link now, my payment method will change to this ATM. And guys, good thing about this ATM is that if you're a Nigerian, you can withdraw from this ATM to your local account. Let me click on this withdraw. Okay, see Kuda Bank. This Kuda Bank is a Nigerian bank. So if you're from Nigeria, you can withdraw to your local account, not dollar account, I mean naira account. And if you're from any other country too, you can still withdraw to your local account from this ATM. If you want to withdraw to crypto, I do crypto withdrawal. This is my last withdrawals. I received $20 from TimeBucks and I withdraw it to Litecoin, which is crypto. I'm going to drop ATM link too in the description below. In case if you want to register on ATM, you can click on the link and register through the link. Let me show you what I've made so far in this website. It's paying Nigerians, it's paying other countries too. I've already earned $310 from this website. See total paid, I've already been paid $308. I'm going to drop link in the description below where you can click and get registered in TimeBucks. I'm also going to drop the link of the TimeBucks tutorial in the description below. Thank you for sticking to the end of the video. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload this kind of informative videos, YouTube will update you.